Welcome back. This is how to fix Dyson Hot Plus Cool Fan Heater H2 error. So first thing is switch off the heater and unplug it for safety before troubleshooting. And guys, H2 error usually indicates overheating caused by blocked airflow or dust buildup. So just simply inspect the air inlets or outlets for dust or obstructions and clean gently with a soft brush or vacuum and make sure it has a proper airflow. And after cleaning, leave the unit unplugged for 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on to reset the heater. And now you can also keep the heater in an open space with at least 1 meter of clearance around it to allow airflow and make sure you have a proper placement. But if the error persists, you may need to contact customer support for the repair. There you go. See ya.